Welcome back, family. So today, well tonight, I wanted to share, I just got home from work and I wanted to share what I received in the mail. So, oh damn, sorry, it's kind of heavy. Received my Grove box. So I wanted to share that with you, as well as also under this, in the description down below, you will find the rules for the giveaway. Right, so I'm just gonna put those down below. But let's open this baby up because I am really excited. I'm not waiting to see what I received. Okay, thing is upside down. I think I opened this the wrong way. All right, let's just start with, okay, let's start with this. All right, so I know that this is a candle. And by the looks of it, I think this is a lavender candle. Are you recording? Yeah, you are. Sorry. Lavender. My lavender candle. I absolutely love these candles. And right now I am burning the, which one is this one? Geranium. And I came home and I always turn my candles on. And I usually change my clothes into house clothes, but I wanted to make this video. And that's usually what I do. So as soon as that one is done, I'll be burning this one. So that's the lavender scent. Okay, I also received, oh, apple cider. So the Mrs. Meyer dish soap in apple cider. Can't wait to, let me see what that smells like. I can't remember this. I know I purchased it last year, but not from Grove. Because I love Mrs. Meyer's products, and I've been buying them for about a year now, I think. This. And I know that I had ordered this last year. That's nice. Okay, can't wait to put this downstairs. All right. So that's the dish soap. I also received, and I love this, the daily, I swear by this product, the daily shower cleaner. Love that. I really like that a lot. That helps a lot too. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, this is good too. I love the toilet cleaner, antibacterial toilet cleaner, and this is in the scent Spearmint. Love that. Awesome. Okay, so I have the multi-surface cleaner, sorry, in apple cider too. That's pretty. What else did I get here? Oh, I got another candle? Why? Another candle. Okay. And this, what scent is this one in? This is in geranium. All right, wow, they sent me another candle. Nice, in geranium. I'll put this in one of the bathrooms. All right. Oh, and they sent this. I needed another refill for the what is this called? Because the bubble up dish brush. I needed a new one. These things are freaking awesome. If you can get your hands on one of these, they work better than Brillo pads. I'm telling you, this stuff is awesome. So that's another one. And I think that's it. Yep, that is it. So that's all I received from Grove, guys. Just, sorry, I have to do that. I love these. Do you guys like these too? I can spend hours just trying to click all of them. I love this. All right, I'm sorry. So check down in the description box so that you can enter the giveaway, and I will let you know what you will be receiving, as well as when I will draw it, right? Draw the giveaway. Is that how you say it? Pick the winner? Pick the winner. Yeah. So stay tuned for that. All right. I see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Take care.